shop released two designs of gowns, X and Y, and has the following materials available: 54 square meters of cotton, 60 square meters of silk, and 15 square meters of wool. Gown X require of following: 9 square meters of cotton, 6 square meters of silk, and 3 square meters of wool. Gown Y requires the following: 6 square meters of cotton, 12 square meters of silk. X. Cotton is 9, silk is 6, wool is 3. Profit 3,600. For gown Y, cotton is 6, silk is 12, wool is 0. Profit 4,800. Available: cotton is 54, silk is 60, wool is 15.
The given 9x plus 6y less than equal to 54 and 6x plus 12y less than equal to 60 and 3x plus 0 is less than equal to 15. And for the ask, how many of each garment should the clothing shop release to obtain the maximum amount of money? For the equation, the formula of x is C1 times P2 minus C1 plus times B1 over 91 times B2 minus A2 times B1. And for the x is A1 times B2 minus A2 times B1 over A1 times B2 minus A2 times B1. Materials 1 and 2. A equals to 6, A2 equals to 9, B1 12, B2 6, C1 60, C2 54. B2 minus C1 times B1 over A1 times B2 minus A2 times B1 equals 60 times 6 is equal to 360 minus 54 times 12 equals to 648 over 6 times 6 equals 36 and minus 9 times 12 equals to 108 equals 360 minus 648 is negative 288 over 36 minus 108 equals to negative 72. So the negative 72 is equals to 4. So the answer is x equals 4. And for the x, A1 times C2 minus A2 times C1 over A1 times B2 minus A2 times B1 is equals to 6 times 54 is 324 minus 9 times 60 is 540. 6 times 6 is 36 and 9 times 12 is 108. And for this one, 324 minus 540 equals 216. 36 minus 108 is negative 72. So, 216 divided by negative 72 is equals to 3. So, the answer is y equals to 3. For the material 2 and 3, A1 is equals to 9, A2 is 3, B1 is 6, B2 is 0, C1 is 54, C2 is 15. For the x, C1 times B2 minus C2 times B1 over A1 times B2 minus A2 times B1. So, 54 minus 0, 54 times 0 is equals to 0. 15 times 6 is equals to 19. 9 times 0 is equals to 0. And 3 times 6 is 18. 0 minus 90 is equals to 90. 0 minus 18 is equals to 18. 90 divided by 18 is equals to 5. So the answer is x equals to 5. For the y, A1 times C2 minus A2 times C1 over 9A1 times B2 minus A2 times B1. 9 times 15 is equals to 135. 3 times 54 is 162. 9 times 0 is 0. 3 times 6 is 18. 135 minus 162 is equals to negative 27. 0 minus 18 is 18. Negative 27 divided by 18 is equals to 1.5. The answer is y equals 1.5.
Solution materials 1 and 3. A1 is 6, A2 is 3, B1 is 1, B2 is 0, C1 is 60, C2 is 15. 4x C1 times B2 minus C2 times B1 over A1 times B2 minus A2 times B1. 60 times 0 equals 0. Minus 15 times 12 equals negative 18. 6 times 0 equals 0. Negative 3 times 12 equals negative 36. 0 times 0 minus 18 equals 18. 0 minus 36 equals 36. 18 over 36 is equal to x 0.5. And for y, A1 times C2 minus A2 times C1 over A2 times B2 minus A2 times B1. 6 times 15 equals 90. Negative 3 times 60 equals 180. Negative 3 times 12 equals negative 36. 90 minus 180 equals negative 90. 0 minus 36 equals 30. And the answer is x equals negative 2.5.
So this is the answer for materials 1 and 2. For x is 4, for y is 3. For material 2 and 3, for x is 5, for y is negative 1.5. And for material 1 and 3, x is 0.5, for y is negative 2.5. So this is the graph. We plot the given. First is 0, 9 and 0, 6. Next is x equals 5. Next is 5 and 10.